සුබ දවසක් මගේ පැටව් හැමෝටම. ටීචර්ට ආදරේ නේද? ටීචර් නම් හැමදාම කියනවනේ I love like sky for all. හසතරන් ආදරේ. ටීචර් දුකයි දැන් මගේ පැටව් බලන්න නැති හින්දා. ඒ වුණාට ගෙදරට වෙලා අම්මි කියන දේ අහලා හොඳට වැඩ කරන හින්දා ගොඩක් ආදරේ. පුළුවන් තරම් ඉක්මනින් ස්කූල් ආපුවම අපි meet. Okay? Then today I want to teach another one of letters. Now can you remember what are the how many letters are in English alphabet? How many letters are? 26 letters are there. Can you remember? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 26 letters are there. Then already we taught A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, 11. Can you remember? 11 letters already we taught. Then today I want see this one. What is this letter? L sound. L letter. This letter is L. Sound is L. Shall we read with me? Now all of you read with me. L for grrr. Who is this? King in the jungle, king in the forest. Who is this? L for lion. Now say with me, L for lion. L for ladder. If we won't climb up, we can use this ladder. L for ladder. We can offer to the Lord Buddha. See, very nice water flower, lotus. L for lotus. L for lotus. L for leaf. L for leaf. Are you reading with me? L for leg. L for leg. L for lips. L for lips. L for lemon. If you can find lemon these days, eat more because it is very good for that these days spreading that coronavirus. Then for that, this is very good for us. If you can find, eat more lemon. L for lemon. L for lamb. L for lamb. Now shall we read as a practice? Shall we practice as a long sentence? This is a lamp. I couldn't hear. Again, this is a lamp. What is this? This is a lamp. What is this one? This is a lamp. Then this one. These are lemon. These are lemon. These are lemon. These are lips. These are lips. Because we are trained, there are two up and down, two lips. These are lips. This is a leg because only one leg is here. This is a leg. This is a leg. This is a leaf. This is a leaf. Green color leaf. This is a lotus flower. This is a lotus flower. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. This is a lion. It is one of wild animals. This is a lion. Now can you remember what is this sound? L. What is this sound? L. Again please say with me only one time because you won't practice. This is a lion. See? This is a lion. This is a lion. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. This is a lotus flower. This is a lotus flower. This is a leaf. This is a leaf. This is a leg. This is a leg. These are lips. These are lips. These are lemons. These are lemons. This is a lamp. This is a lamp. Now I will show the pictures one by one. You have read alone. Read, will you? Oh, I could hear. This is a lamp. Again. Very good. Very good. This is lemon. These are lemon. These are lemon. Read, will you? You don't want my help. These are lips. Good. Very good. Now next one. What is this? This is a leg. Very good. Again. Very good. This is a leaf. This is a leaf. Good. This is a lotus flower. This is a lotus flower. L for lotus. L for ladder. This is a ladder. Again. Good. Who is this? I want long answer. Tell me. This is a lion. This is a lion. This is a lion. What is this letter? L letter. L letter. L sound. L letter. L sound. Now can you remember? Then I also can't remember. But I think you can say what are the pictures start from L sound. Can you say one by one? L for lion. Go. Please remind and say me. L for lion. L for ladder. L for leaf. Can't hear. L for lemon. What else? Other things? Then shall I L for lamp? Okay. Likewise, again you should have to practice. See? Again only one time I show. L for lion. L for ladder. L for lotus. L for leaf. L for leg. L for lips. L for lemon. L for lamp. Now see way of the writing, only one line, top to bottom line. Top to bottom line. Top to bottom line. Then I will provide a worksheet for you. Then there you have color only what are the pictures starting from L sound. Then please keep it in your mind and color only L sound pictures. Don't color all the pictures, only L sound pictures you have color. Then with another one of letter next day I will come. Until that, practice well, watch this video and talk with me, read the sentences and say with your brothers and sisters also. Bye, have a nice day.